Hello, today we are going to talk about adverbs. Adverbs are a figure of speech that qualify or define a verb or an adverb. When you use adverbs, you are essentially enriching your sentences. You are adding more gravity to your sentence. So let's look at some kinds of adverbs and we'll look at their examples also. So the number one kind, the first kind of adverb that we are going to talk about is the one about degree. Okay. So one example of a degree of adverb is like almost or enough. This isn't enough for me. So here the word enough conveys the adverb and it is a degree. It is a degree kind of adverb. Another example is nearly. It nearly killed me. Okay. So where's the verb here? Killed. And where's the adverb? Nearly. So the word nearly is qualifying the word nearly is qualifying the verb killed here. Another example could be simply. We can simply do this like this, or why don't you do it simply like this? Right? This is a sentence. So simply is an adverb and do is the uh, verb. Next, we are going to talk about adverbs which are related to frequency. Frequency is like again, always, never, normally, rarely. He rarely comes to the class, right? So the word rarely here is the adverb of the frequency classification, and the word comes is the verb. So he rarely comes to the class. Okay. Another example could be again. He's coming here again and again. So here the word coming is the verb, again is the adverb. We are using again and again just to amplify the word coming. So this is the type of the frequency adverb. Another example could be seldom. You could also use sometimes in your sentence. Sometimes I feel like I should go up and speak with him. Rajiv sometimes comes to the class. So sometimes here is the adverb and comes is the verb. The third category of the adverbs is the adverb of manner. And some examples could be beautifully, like the word beautifully, generously, or happily, mostly, neatly, patiently. These are manners, right? He has folded the bed sheet neatly. He described the situation beautifully. Another example would be uh, he gave away all his things generously to the beggar. So these are examples of adverbs of manner. I'm sure we all are using these adverbs in our daily life, but we don't realize that these are adverbs of manner. So I hope it helps you understand the adverbs of manner here. The next example would be the adverbs of place. Sometimes we use these adverbs to define a particular place. He sat down. Rahul sat down on the floor. So the down part is the adverb and sat is like the verb. Uh, the cat is sitting above me. Above is on top, right? Sitting is like sitting, and above is the adverb. So this is how uh, the adverb of place is placed here. Uh, Everywhere. Another example of adverb of place could be everywhere. We can find air everywhere, right? So find is the verb, and everywhere is adverb. Another example would be here. He's here, or the teacher should be coming to the class here. The teacher is here in the class. Is the verb, and here is the adverb. Then the next category of adverbs is the adverbs of place. This is where we are defining a particular place where the action is taking place. Like for example, above, below, everywhere. Yeah, we've spoken about adverbs of place, so we needn't go to this topic again. Then the other category is the adverbs of time. So sometimes we define our verbs in terms of time, like daily, frequently, regularly, monthly, tomorrow, recently, yearly, yesterday. I went to the market yesterday. We were playing football yesterday. We have our monthly exams shortly. We are going to have our monthly exams shortly. So monthly is like uh, the adverb. Recently I went to Bombay for a trip. So here the word recently is the adverb of time, and went as the verb. Uh, Daily can be another adverb. Daily is another adverb. So let's exercise daily. There's another usage of this adverb. Another example. So these are some of the examples of adverbs. So let's look again at some of those examples. Time, manner, place, frequency. What else? Uh, Let me scroll up, and so we've got time, frequency, place, manner, and yes, degree. Degree is like how much, how less, or big, and all that. So these are adverbs, and I hope you make use of this lesson and start using adverbs in your sentences more often. I'd love to get your feedback about how you found this lesson. I hope you found this lesson interesting, and if you did, then please subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.